Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. I've just unboxed my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. In this video I'm going to show you how to set this up for the first time. Let's get started. I've just switched it on and we are on the welcome screen. Here select the language as per your preference and tap OK and tap start. Here for your review, you will find the end user license agreement, privacy policy, and sending of diagnostic data policy. So you can select whatever you want to select here, just tap on each one. So alternatively, you can agree to all. Easy setup with another device. So if you have a Galaxy, Android or Apple device, you can transfer the settings or accounts from that device. So instead we will set this up as a new device. So tap on setup manually. Here you need to choose the Wi-Fi network and provide the password. You can also skip this if you want to connect to the Wi-Fi later, but if you have the details you can provide that to continue. Service provider setup. So this will take a few seconds, just hang in there and tap restart. This will take a minute or two to restart your phone. Just hold on, and once that is back on, here it says preparing for mobile network. So if you have a SIM card, you can insert it or scan the QR code for eSIM or set it up later in settings. Just hang in there, it will take a minute or two here to get your phone ready. Copy apps and data. So if you have apps and data linked to your Google account, you can just download it here. So if you don't want to copy anything, just tap don't copy. Checking information. Here sign into your Google account and provide your email ID and password. This account will be linked to the device and available to other apps and Google services. So if you have your Google account linked to another device, it may ask for two-step verification. Just confirm it on your other device in order to continue. So here who will be using this device? So if it is for your child, you can select your child's device so you can set up parental control. In my case, I'll be using it myself, so I'll select the first option, and once selected, just tap next. So here are some terms and conditions, just tap agree. Getting account information, it might take a few seconds. Then protect your phone. So here you need to set up face recognition, fingerprints, pattern, pin, password, anything you prefer. In my case, I like to go with fingerprints. In that case, I also need to set a pin or a password. I prefer to go with a pin which has to be 6 digits. So just provide it and reconfirm it. So here it says you need the PIN code to unlock your phone after it restarts and occasionally other times. So you need to remember that. So tap next. Now it's time to set up the fingerprint. So tap continue. And it says fill the entire circle, and you have some instruction on how to scan your fingerprint. So tap register. So just use the finger to scan it and fill the circle, and once it's 100%, it will be completed. You can always add another finger here or later in the settings. If you want to add now, just tap add or tap next to continue. Here are some settings related to fingerprints. Just read through. First one is for fingerprint unlock and fingerprint always on, and show animation when unlocking. So just read it and tap continue. Next, Google services. Here you have to grant permission for use of location and allow scanning, allow apps to scan nearby Wi-Fi network. You also have biometrics to verify purchases. So install updates and apps and send usage and diagnostic data. So here just read through everything. Whatever you want to unselect, you can do that and tap accept to continue. Here you need to select whether you want to back up your data to your Google account in case if you lose your phone. So you can back up your photos and videos and other device data such as your contacts, call history, device settings, apps and data, and SMS and messages. So select if you want to back up to your Google account. You can just turn it on, otherwise you can select don't backup and set this up later in the settings. Now Google's Gemini is integrated to your Samsung Galaxy S25 devices as the personal AI assistant. You can press and hold the side button to enable and start interaction, or you can also use the voice settings, which you can continue and set up next. So here tap continue, and here it says use Gemini hands-free with Hey Google, so you can turn it on here. Getting your phone ready, so it will take a few seconds. So here, Samsung account. So if you have a Samsung account, it's similar to Apple's iCloud account. You can have all your devices registered under this account and sync your data between all your devices. Also, you can locate your stolen phone and remotely wipe out the data. You can use the same Google account to register and continue. If you don't have an account already, you can tap on the link at the bottom that says forgot password or don't have an account and register an account easily. Here you need to agree to certain terms and conditions related to Samsung account, and also you can turn on offline finding. So offline finding lets you locate your phone even if it is not connected to a network. Just select everything and tap agree. So here you need to verify your phone number. Just provide your phone number and complete the two-step verification. That will send a code to your mobile number that you need to enter here to verify and continue. So next is Galaxy AI. So your Galaxy S25 Ultra comes with a lot of new AI related features, including call assist that gives you real-time translation during the voice call, and writing assist, and interpreter, and note assist, and transcript assist, browsing assist. There's plenty of AI features that you can check here, that you can get a brief idea of what they are, and once you have read through everything, you can just tap next. So in addition to Gemini, your phone is also equipped with Bixby. So you can use Bixby just with your voice, just to make calls, send text, get answers, and many more. So you can just read through and tap next. So for Bixby to be fully functional, you need to grant permission for these things. So just read through and tap next. So next is Samsung Wallet. So you can set it up here. So Samsung Wallet gives you the ability to pay anywhere using your phone, unlock doors, start your car, and many more. So you can just read through, and if you want to set it up now, you can continue there, or you can set it up later. Next is Samsung services. So this includes some security related stuff and customization service and personal data intelligence. So you can just read through and agree to it. Choose your display mode here. You can choose light or dark and tap next. It takes a few seconds here, so just wait. Get recommended apps. So apps will be downloaded when you are connected to Wi-Fi. So there are some apps from Samsung, just one here. I'm not sure what it includes, so if you want to install, just select and tap next, and you can check it out once everything is completed. So that's it, we are all set up. Before we get into the home screen, Samsung wants you to take a look at the tips and users guide. Just tap here. Inside you will find some tips, and at the top you have some Galaxy AI related tips. There are plenty of AI related features on this phone. You can just check them all out. If there's anything interesting that you find, you can just make note of it and use it later when your phone is ready. So just read through everything, and once done, just go back and tap home. So this will take you to the home screen. Now your phone is ready, it's all yours. This phone comes preloaded with Samsung's One UI 7 operating system, that is Android 15. There's some great stuff that you can just take a look at. I absolutely love the smoothness of this new operating system, and it feels buttery. And if you swipe down from the top right corner, you will get the quick settings, which almost looks like the control center in the iPhone 16 that comes with the iOS 18. I'm not going to take you through all the features in this phone, but definitely there are some great AI related features that you can check out. And if you want to download any application, you can download it in the Play Store. Just check it out here and search for any application that you want to download right now. So if you like to learn more about the new features in this phone, just subscribe to my channel. I'll be doing more videos about the new features and the new AI related features. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please drop a comment below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.